on. It's our favorite place apparently. Fish cake, vermicelli, Chinese kale, pandan beef. And I got a vermicelli as well. But mine's not here yet. Mine's with chicken. So good here. Ooh, look at that sriracha. Jazz just finished the gym. And I just went to get some stuff, some shopping done. And pour that on. Babe, well, I need some too.
They'll give you more, don't worry.
So selfish.
You can get more.
Selfish. Look at that selfish face. It's so good here. I'm addicted. What's this place called?
Paki Indian Kitchen Cuisine.
Oh, there you go. We just finished watching Deadpool, and what's your verdict on the movie?
Pretty good. It smells like pancakes. It does smell like pancakes.
It does. Somebody didn't wash his hands, so he's eating it with forks and knives.
I did watch it in the cinema.
Like an hour ago. 2 hours ago, before the movie. Pretty good movie, but it was like R-rated. And now eating Indian food before our dessert across the street. Foodies. Or piggies. It was so heavy. We're buying a rug. We're at Ikea again. And he's making me work out. Show off. You're a guy, of course it's not heavy.
Well, I didn't say it was heavy. I said it was light.
It's heavy. For me. It is Friday. TGIF. It's already 2 p.m. I have been trying to work on the vlogs because I know I haven't uploaded in forever, and I've just like hours of videos piled up, and I really need to sit down and edit and just upload it. So that's what I'm doing now. Get some work done on Friday night, and you are cleaning your apartment. That is what my life has become of now. Yep. Not really complaining. Pretty good night. Just gotta vacuum, clean the place up, and make it look nice. Just spent, I think, the last 4 hours editing videos, laughing at them, and it was kind of fun. Had about over an hour's worth of footage, and I was just editing and laughing at it the whole time. So yeah, and now I am cleaning on a Friday night. Jazz just came back and finished eating.
What?
And he got me dessert from a really famous place in Causeway Bay, because that's where his gym is close to. So sweet of him. As I clean the apartment, and now I'm gonna have some dessert. Whoa, they double lidded it. Dessert. Right. Let's try this. Show you. Taro sago coconut milk. So good. Our new couch.
This is where Michelle's gonna be sleeping from now on.
You mean where you're going to sleep? The color doesn't really match our apartment at all.
Well, I thought you said you were the expert at this topic. You were the one. You're just looking at YouTube videos and like interior design magazines, and they always like using gray and black and white, and then you just kind of it doesn't even make sense. I'm just saying, you just chose gray because on the magazines it's always gray, right?
Whatever. But it's nice. I like it. I think once we get rid of this couch, our other couch, it'll be okay. Lunch for some cha santing. CCT. Ordered ham and chicken. Waiting for mine. Mine tastes better. Look at that hair. Oh. Yes. Time to build ourselves a shelf. Here's yeah. Saving some money so that we build it ourselves. All right, we're at step 5. Bookshelf is coming along.
You need this one, the one with the curved edge.
The one over there? We built it. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Woo! Woo! So much enthusiasm. Experience just escalated. I just took one of those mini buses over there that you see. I didn't know how much it was, where it was going. You have to tell the driver where to stop. So, an experience. And I'm going to go to Tiff's house right now. So yeah, and everyone thinks I'm crazy talking to myself. Having hot pot. Playing video games. And look at how nice her view is. Seems to really have a liking for my lake. Caesars. Popcorn. What you looking at? Sukiyaki. Caesar.
呢個咩嚟㗎？呢個
Beef. Seafood.
rice cake。
Oh my god, rice cakes. I love rice cake. Damn. Looks so good. Drinking wine, eating cheesecake and junk food. Oh my god, I'm so full right now. We ate so much food. We ate all the hot pot. In a taxi right now, and it's so crazy. He's driving so fast right now. Happy Valentine's Day. And my boyfriend's making omelet with onions and tomatoes with 6 eggs.
Yeah, 3 for each.
Yay. Our 6-egg omelet. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Did you put the cheese inside already?
Oh shit! Fuck!
Oh, how will he fix this?
It's quite a 6. Look at this, it's a monster, babe. It's huge. Sorry, babe. It's huge. I don't know how to fix it. Look at it. This just seems unhealthy, babe. This just seems like. It's cooking though. I'll turn off the fire already.
You almost got it. Oh, pretty good, pretty good. Damn, look at that. Beauty. For Valentine's Day dinner. Oh, forgot to press button. We're matching. We look like humans again. No more bums. He finished the football game and he's really tired. Barely.
Did I get a 10, babe?
Let me see.
Pretty sure I got a 10.
A little bit.
Yeah. I can tell it's red.
He's so drained. Look at him. No energy. It is already Monday the 15th. Last night I wasn't able to vlog because my GoPro ran out of battery. So sadly, you were not able to see me going out for dinner with Jazz on Valentine's Day. We went to Zuma, a really nice Japanese restaurant in Landmark Central of Hong Kong. And then afterwards we had some drinks, and it was just a casual good day night. And now it's Monday. It's my kind of last free day before I start my interviews and whatnot tomorrow. So I'm gonna try and go hiking. The same place that I went with Elaine last week, and I'm gonna try and do it again by myself. This time the other way around. So we'll see how that goes. Trying to find the right bus right now. Oh, there was a creepy dude on the bus just now that I took, and he kept staring at me. Really creepy. Good thing he didn't get off at the same stop as me. I'm not sure if this is where the beginning of the trail is, but I feel like this should be roughly the right area. So we'll guess and see. It is right now. Let me see, what time is it? 1:15 exactly. Feels like we're in a little jungle area. No one else around. All right, all right. A little sketchy, but okay, okay. The wrong path. So now I have to head back and start all over again. I don't know where this trail leads to, but it's not the one. So going back the way I just came, it doesn't seem like anybody walks on this path, so can't be it. Not a good start. Oh my goodness. Half an hour later, I found the beginning of the trail. It is so far up the mountain. I thought I was lost and I couldn't find it. I was gonna head back. It's starting to drizzle. Not sure if this is really a good idea, but I've already come this far, so I guess I'll just go with it. It's 1:50 now, so let's hope I get this done ASAP, and let's do this. 25 minutes in, I have reached almost peak 1. Not bad. This is the easier one though, so the second peak is the one that's 1,000 steps or something. It's crazy. Yeah, I haven't really seen anyone on this hike yet, so a lot different from the other day when I came with Elaine, because everyone's working and all the tourists are gone. But today's the perfect day to hike because it's cloudy. Oh, that's the path. The second mountain right now. I don't know how far up I am. Seems like I might be halfway. At least I hope I'm halfway up this mountain. Starting to rain, of course, but there's no way I can head back. Gotta keep going. In this hike now for an hour. Making good use of time, actually. Peak 2. Hallelujah. Ah, almost there. Just downhill from here. Pretty much, anyways. All those steps. Thought I was gonna faint. Going this way is definitely harder than the other way because of those freaking steps. Remember this view? Oh, you know you're close when you hear the sound of traffic. Almost there. Almost there. Woo. And I'm done. Woo! All right. That's that. And now waiting for the bus to come to take me back. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. Whew. All right. It is now 3:28, so that took me an hour and 40 minutes. Pretty good. Taking a bus now. Google Map, trying to find my way home. Just went out and got some groceries. I have defrosted the chicken, 600 something grams of chicken. I've got the rice cooker going, all my pots. I think I'm gonna cook the chicken curry in this one right here. Wow. Or the big one here. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see. I think this one would fit. This might be a horrendous attempt, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I've cut up the onions, potatoes, and carrots, and they're in this massive pot here. Ooh, smells good. And look at all that chicken that I just cut up. Oh, onions smell so good when it's caramelizing. Let's try this. A little bit scared. I've actually never even cooked meat before because I'm scared. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Did it just hit me? I watched this on YouTube and I'm trying to remember. What am I supposed to do? I think I have to brown the chicken. But there's so much chicken. Show you what I've got right now. All right, Michelle. And now I'm gonna put in the curry paste. I've got the rice cooking, or so I hope. Let's try this. I've never done this before, so this will be interesting. I don't know where Jazz is, but we'll see. Taste test time. Onions taste good. Mmm. Perfect.